Hey Diamonds, it's Jamequa and welcome to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my 2020 vision board. A lot has changed since last year. As you can see, I am in my new apartment. I stay here with my boyfriend. We haven't got everything moved in yet, but I'll still do a empty apartment tour. Also, today is my birthday, January 7th. If you want to give a donation, I'll leave my PayPal and Cash App in the description box below. So in today's video, I'm just gonna be going over my 2020 vision board. Whether you're an entrepreneur or in your personal life, you always wanna have a vision for the future. On my vision board, that's gonna motivate me for this year to keep me on track. I've just been trying to get settled in my new apartment, so that's why the videos haven't been uploading as frequently, but now I am in my own place. I can film whenever I want to. The video content is just gonna get better and better. So let's get right into this video. Before I get into this video, make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell to get notified every time I upload. Right here, this is my 2020 vision board. I have career, lifestyle, and business as my 3 goals, 3 categories. So over here in career, I have a girl dressed up in business casual because I want to dress up more like this. It's very cute, very, mature. As far as career goes, I either want to be a teacher or working in human resources. So right here, I have 2 people holding up passports because I want to travel. And then I have my savings right here because I want to have a certain savings goal. I want to save my money as I work. Now, as far as lifestyle, I do want to eventually get married. I also want to have a healthy lifestyle, so I put a girl working out. Right here is a Bible, shining a light on the Bible, creating a heart, because I want to build my relationship with God. Here's the car that I want. It's a Nissan Maxima 2020. This picture gives me a certain feeling, so I just put that picture on my board because it makes me feel some type of way when I see it. Right here is a house. I want to start saving for the down payment on my house. As far as business, my personal business and YouTube, I want to hit 5,000 subscribers. We are really close to 5,000 subscribers, so I'm sure we will meet that pretty soon. I am currently working on my online course where I'm going to be teaching you how to start your online business. Stay on the lookout for that online course. Then I put Paris because, again, I want to travel. This is Bahamas. My ancestors are from the Bahamas. Represent. So I do want to eventually go there. I'm definitely going to save up to go on that trip, either on a cruise or whatever. For the online course, my goal is to make $50,000 in passive income, which is very possible. And then my next goal after reaching 5,000 subscribers will be 10,000 subscribers. So I put short-term, long-term goal. Now at the bottom right here, you see all these notes. These are just encouraging words that I got from people. I got these responses from a leadership conference that I went to. It says, I hope and know your vision will become a reality in the near future. I loved our short but cool talks and hope you become a great leader, Kayla Foster. And then these are just some more notes that people left me, all about empowerment, #girlboss from Bree. When I'm just feeling a little down and my vibrations are a little low, I'm gonna just go back and read these positive affirmations that people left me. And then at the bottom it says, I am debt free. This is one of my main goals, to become debt free. I'm gonna absolutely work on that this year, a lot more than I did last year. And we're gonna start seeing progress with my debt going down. So yeah, that was an overview of my vision board. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And again, if you want to send me a small donation for my birthday, you could do that through PayPal or Cash App, and I'll leave the links in the description box below. See you guys later.